Lawyers Improv Workshop.
So with the workshop, something that I found to be really beneficial was the focus on the 3 rules of cross-examination. They were really fun ways of honing in those basics so that now it's more just rote, it's more ingrained.
I was always really intrigued with the notion of the spontaneous loop during cross-examination, but it was really hard for me to conceptualize it. Steve and Olivia's workshops break it down. And the fact that they're able to break it down for you as clearly as they are, and then make it so that it almost becomes internal while you're in the workshop, was just incredible to me.
The thing that I discovered most about myself during the class was that I really thought I was listening, but I was really more listening for them to stop as opposed to the words that they were using. So it's really forced me to not just focus on me, but more focus on the person and what they're saying and how they're saying it.
You know, one of the things I thought I was good at, even going into Roger's class, was controlling the witness. And I found, like, in his class, like, okay, you know, here's the chapter. And I got very proficient in chapters. If I don't have my chapters, I don't have a net. And improv was allowing me to perform without a net, you know, comfortably.
Partly because you've got attorneys in the class, and we kind of all know, we know the challenges that we run into, and it's beneficial to present those challenges in the classroom to our peers and see how they deal with it. And then you come in and give the feedback. And it's a really good blend. It's very helpful.
It helps me work on my active listening skills, but it's also just fun.
No, I really had fun. I mean, it was really, really enjoyable to participate. And like I said, I think it was fun to see different attorneys.
Sign up today at houseimprov.com.